Hey everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Wendy. I hope you all are having a good day. Today is going to be about a bookmark slash pocket. I don't know what else to call it, but it is a corner bookmark, but also one side has a pocket. So let's see if I can kind of show you. So this one, I just did a simple note card and it just tucks right in there. And then on the back side, I just stamped it. Now, these are removable, or you can actually glue them in place. Oops, or glue them in place as a place marker. So let me show you, let me show you a couple ones I just, that's in my idea book. So here's this one. This one I actually folded the note card and stamped some lines on it. Just have a little note in there. And that way you can, add some wording or decor. And then the back side, I just did some stamping. Oh, let's see. And then this one was another one I did. Oops, another one I did with a simple little note card, just a folded piece of paper. And these are, they're removable. Here, let me take one off. So, and then here's the back side. I just stamped it because this part you don't see. So, and then it just slides onto your page. Now, these are all on the right side page. You can also flip them and make them, can you see? For the left side of the page. This one I made out of a book, actual book page. And, oh, let me get that in there. Actually, let me take it off so you guys can see it. I just added some glitter, and then there's the back. It's just a book page. Let me show you. Here's one I just did out of, just a simple one. One of my first ones I was playing around with. I didn't even do anything on the back of that one. And then sometimes you know how you do inserts, so you can even add them to those little flaps. And this one had a little, let me take these out. Hold on. Let me take them off so you guys can get a better look at them. I put them all through my idea book so you can see how they fit on the page. Okay, let me put this up. All right, let me give you a little closer look. Okay, so it's just a corner bookmark and pocket. Okay, so you can make little square notes like this if you want to just do that. Put them in. Or you can make a little folded note. I kind of like the little folded notes. And they slide in. And you can put them whichever way you want. If you want to go this way or this way. This one's the same. I just stamped the end. This one I added some glitter glue on just to make it sparkle. So, same one with this one. Just some simple ones, but I really liked the book page too. So, let me show you how easy it is to do these little corner bookmark pockets. Give me an idea of what the name what the name of. Okay, so you need an actual square piece of paper. If you use a book page, oops, let me get my, if you use a book page, just make sure you square it up. I don't know if you know the trick of folding it and then cutting off the remainder, and it gives you a perfect square. This is just a 6-inch piece of paper. So what you do is, okay, so like this, front side up. Okay, you fold it corner to corner. All right, then you fold it up in half. Open it up, turn it one turn, and then make another fold in half. Okay. Now, this diagonal line you made, you need to make sure it goes in this direction. So when you have your paper laying here, it needs to go from the left bottom corner up to the right. If it's orientated a different way, it doesn't work. So you need to orientate it to where the crease is going like this. Okay, so this square here, this, I don't know if, let's see if you can see it. Can you see it? So this here, let's see it on the back. So you see how you have this square here? You're going to cut that out along the fold line. Okay, so that crease there, and then all you do is cut this corner square off, and you're just gonna, and save your paper because that makes a great little note. All right, so then you have this. So all you're gonna do is fold this up, take your glue stick, let me get mine going, I didn't have mine ready, and get the edges really good. And you're going to fold this down and back, nice and neat, just like that. Let's see if you can, so you can see it, just like that. See? So, and then open it back up, and you want to put glue along this edge here, right here, from point to that crease, and that's what holds it in place. Well, I'm a little off on my fold, but that's okay. I'll ink it. All right, so now you have this flap here. All right, so you're gonna turn it over just like this. All right, put glue on this side with the fold. All right, and then you're going to fold this back, just like this. All right, and then fold it again to the right. Make sure you line up along the edges of your square. Okay, so, and then open it back up, and you're going to just put a line of glue along that top part. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm still a kid. I still write my notes on my hand. I just noticed that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you fold, after you put glue on it, you fold it, and it's done. So you flip it over. It helps if you fold it nicely. Apparently I was off some. That's fine. Okay, so you have, let's see. So depending on which side, okay, so here's the back side with the white. Give her glue a chance to. Okay, so if you want it to go on the right side of your paper, you know, the corner, the pocket needs to be on this side. Okay, if you want it to go on the left side of paper, you need to flip it so it goes like this. So here's the left side paper. Now, if you want it to go on the right side of the paper, you need to flip that corner so it goes that way. And that way you know how to decorate whichever way you want your pocket to go. I like mine, well, it doesn't matter how I like mine because I'll put it on either side if I mess up. All right, so this is basically all there is to it. And then what I do is I like to get a coordinating or a book page, you know, whatever. I don't want to stick the same paper in there because it blends in. So another sheet of paper, and you could tuck it in like this, or you can just, you'll have to cut it down to size, but make a little notebook. Let me show you. I made a bigger ones. Super fun. I'm like, man, I have this. It's going to take up half the page. This one is, let's see, it ended up being about 4.5, almost 4.5. So I just coordinated the papers, and you put whatever, lines or anything in here, decorate however you wish. So if you guys want to see this one more time, I'll go through the steps one more time. And you know what? I'll use a book page here so you guys can see. Let me square off my page. Oh, okay. So once you get a square and you fold it corner to corner, get that crease. You want to fold it to get your 4 squares. So you fold it in half going up. Then you turn it and fold it again in half. All right. And, oh yeah, this will be better to see. So this crease line here needs to go in this area here, this direction, this orientation. Okay. And you cut out this bottom right-hand square. This bottom right-hand square. Okay. Oops. And then what you do is fold this up, put your glue on the back side here, and fold this back. And what I like about the book pages is I got that torn edge, which I love, so I'm going to keep that. And then you just put some glue along the edge of your page and fold it back up. Okay, after you get this side done, just flip it over. The side that has that crease, okay, put your glue there. And fold it back to the corner to corner. All right, and then this one, you just fold it along the edge there, just like this. And then just run some glue along the edge. Okay. Oh, for some reason, my glue sticks doesn't work well with my book pages. I don't know if it's because they're old and I don't know what it is. But, see, they're not sticking. Let me use some of my clear glue here. See, I have glue issues sometimes. And of course, I like to rub it in with my finger. And let me get this side. Rub it in. Ah, things are falling. Things are falling. Okay. And that's it. So what's fun about the book pages is I like the torn edge. But let's say I want to use that square I just had. So what I do, I like the torn look with this. So I'll just tear this little page up a little. And okay, so this one I'll probably keep as a full page. And what I'll do is I'll stamp the back of it with some lines. Oops. Ugh, my table's a gluey mess. So I'll stamp the back of it with some lines, and I'll ink the edges, and it'll just go right in there. And, you know, you decorate how you see fit. And then the back, this is what you'll see as the back. So you can always put something on the back side. And what it'll look like on your book, on a page. Oops. I'll just use a sheet of. All right, so mine is on this side. So mine will go just like this. And then, so you have a little corner note or a corner bookmark. And this one comes up enough that it's going to ruffle. I love that. So that is what I came up with. I thought you guys would enjoy it. So let me know if you do it. If you make these, share it, show it to me. What you like or don't like. Like and subscribe to my channel, please. Tell me what else you'd like to see. I do have some journals in the works and some tutorials on certain projects I have going on. It's just taking me a little time. But I've been busy. But I just wanted to share these with you. Hope you like them. And if you have any questions, let me know. You guys have a good day. Thank you.